This is a compound fertilizer production line with two different granulators. First, some NPK powder like urea, ammonium nitrate, potassium chloride, through batching system enters screening machine for powder fineness. Second, after passing the single shaft mixer, next step is granulation process. The former is drum granulator. It can make 10 tons of NPK pellets per hour. The latter is pan granulator. Its function is to make these pellets more round. Because of wet granulation, these granules contain more than 20% moisture. Then, these pellets enter drying system, including rotary dryer and cooler. Besides, there are also hot blast furnace, with many heat source selection, air fan, and dust collection system for ensuring clean production. 4. These NPK granules are sent in rotary coating machine. There is a pot spraying and coating machine with color or liquid nutrients. Finally, granule packing machine can bag NPK granules automatically. Certainly, if you want to handle hard rock for fertilizer production, we have hammer crusher or other industrial grinders for you choice. Welcome to contact us. We can customize special fertilizer production plan.